all the tech stocks. So pretty much that I see that last week, because of the Nasdaq sell-off, and I see there's quite a lot of the panic in the tech stock as well, including INARI, Franken, well, and also quite a number of the other stocks that we covered earlier on. So at the moment, INARI is still in a very nice structure. So in terms of the structure, I think there is no change. We definitely see a sign of strength really breaking out. Although there is a big bearish bar with a relatively high supply level, but subsequently we definitely see kind of a decreasing of the supply. So I just suspect that whether we can reverse from here on, because the only panic bar is this bar. So with the spike of the supply, panic bar, break below, everyone sell, and subsequently the last two bar here comes with lower supply. So generally a healthy sign for INARI. So for this, I just wonder if we can get above. I think this is my alert. It's probably somewhere around 373 or 374 if you want. Maybe move it to 374 or 375, somewhere around here. Doesn't matter. So if you want to see some commitment above, then that would be your entry, because really depends on your trading time frame, whether you want to just take a very quick swing up and then exit here, or whether you want to trade this the whole chunk as your courses. And for the long term investing or long term position trading, your stop would be here. So that's your stop. Okay, so that's INARI. Okay, here is a comment from Cage. Since Nasdaq is in consolidation mode, should we wait more clear candle signal bullish confirmation from Nasdaq to decide on Brussels attack? Yeah, that's a good question. Well, generally, I don't really want to correlate too much with Nasdaq for Malaysia tech, because Malaysia market is generally a very small market. So a lot of the time, I tend to focus on individual stocks only. So I want to look at these individual stocks and look at individual volume, individual pricing, rather than just using another proxy like Nasdaq to just have a gauge. But certainly, if we see that Nasdaq is going to keep falling for another 5-10%, then I don't think the market will be good. So if you enter it here, likely you will get stopped out. So it really depends on your risk appetite. But I just betting on that we're probably going to see range bound condition for Nasdaq and for the S&P. So I think that we probably will see some recovery up for the Malaysia stocks, especially the tech stocks.